Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to register your HP printer for warranty. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to support.hp.com. Now, once you're on this page, we want to scroll down and then only scroll down just a few little notches here, and then when it says more support resources, we've got the option to register your product. So just go ahead and click onto that option there. Now it's going to ask you to sign in. So if you don't have an account, you can go ahead and click on create an account, or you can continue with your Google account, Microsoft, or we can send a sign-in code. So yeah, just go ahead and create an account or sign into your account. Okay, so once you've signed in or created an account, you might need to re-sign in back a couple of times. And then once you've done that, it's going to say here, one step to add a device to your profile and register with HP. So we need to go ahead and identify your product to get started. So we can go ahead and let HP detect your product, or if you got your serial number, go ahead and jot that down here and then click submit. Now also they've got some helpful guides here, so select the product type for tips finding your serial number on your printer, laptop, desktop, poly product and other. So if we go ahead and click on printer here, so we want to go ahead and click on to locate your product information label. So this is for a printer, so basically it's on the back of the unit and you're going to see this, and then the sample product label is going to look similar to that. So your serial number is after where it says serial no dot, and then that's it is 9 digits here, so that's the one you want to copy, and then you want to put that in here and click submit. Now once you've done that, you're going to successfully register your HP printer for warranty.